Which source is most useful? If you wanted to apply for a US passport, how would you know what to do? You would probably do some research. Read this list of sources of information about obtaining a passport. Then select the 3 most useful sources. Advice from a family member who last applied for a passport in 1986. How to rush your passport application. A sidebar in an article about summer travel in the local newspaper. A chapter called Getting Your Passport from a 2012 book called World Travel for Teens. The Apply for a Passport section of the website of the U.S. State Department. A photocopy of a handout called About Passports, created by a local travel agent. What it means to be useful. Usefulness is a pretty common sense concept. Something is useful if it helps you solve a problem, complete a task, or answer a question. When you want to learn about a new topic, sources are useful only if they contain the information you need. Relevance. A source is relevant if it provides information related to the topic you are investigating. Suppose you were researching the building of the Great Wall of China. An online video about the Great Wall posted on the web page of a respected science and geography magazine would be more relevant than a recent newspaper article about China's immigration policies. Appropriateness. Choose sources that are not too complex or too basic, but are written at the appropriate level. After all, you need to be able to understand the information so you can explain it to your readers. If you were researching the works of painter Vincent van Gogh, a virtual museum tour of Van Gogh's paintings would be more appropriate than an art professor's paper about the chemical components in the paint Van Gogh used. Quantity of information. Find sources with the right quantity of information. Skip sources with only a few sentences about your topic. Focus instead on sources that explore your topic deeply and provide more than general information. If you wanted to learn the history behind the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., you would likely find more information on the web page of the National Park Service than in a biography of Abraham Lincoln. Value a source's value if it answers your questions about a topic. Sources that focus deeply on a topic and provide details have great value. If you were researching the mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle, then a 2009 program about the area, shown on a science television channel, is likely to have more value than a 2010 book called Strange Weather Events. Ease of use. A source has ease of use if you can use it to quickly find the information you need. Text features such as an index, a table of contents, and a bibliography can help you navigate through a printed text. Digital sources have links to guide you through the text. To research the route of the Underground Railroad, an online encyclopedia article about the topic would likely be easier to use than a reprinted map from 1850. Why is this source useful? This source is useful because it has plenty of new information. This source is useful because it is relevant to your topic. This source is useful because it has valuable information. This source is useful because it is written at an appropriate reading level. Characteristics of useful sources. A useful source contains relevant information, is written at the appropriate level for your needs, has a good quantity of information, has value because it helps you learn something or answer a question, and is easy to use because it is clearly written and easy to navigate.